Okay, let's discuss this question from the review exercise. The length and breadth of a rectangular floor of a house are 5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. So let's mark that 5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. This floor is to be tiled with square-shaped tiles of side length 25 centimeter each without leaving any space between the tiles. Roman number 1, what is the area of a square-shaped tile? So we can see that they've clearly mentioned in the question with square-shaped tiles of side length 25 centimeter each. So that is the information that we are going to use. So area of the tile is equal to 25 centimeter multiplied by 25 centimeter, which is going to be 625 centimeters squared. Okay, Roman number 2, find the area of the floor. So we already mentioned it in the diagram that the length and the breadth of the floor are 5 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. So let's convert this length and breadth to centimeters, because that way all of our units would be the same and it's easy to work that way, no? So rather than converting centimeters into meters here, converting these two into centimeters would be easier. So let's do that. Then the length, which is 5 meters, is going to be 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 5 times 100, 500 centimeters. Similarly, the breadth, which is 3.5 meter, if you convert that to centimeter, it's going to be 350 centimeters. So using that, we can get the area of the floor, which is length into breadth, 500 centimeter multiplied by 350 centimeter, which is going to be 500 times 350, 175,000 centimeters squared. Okay, so quite a big number, but you don't have to worry. So moving on, how many floor tiles are required to tile this floor? So this is a very common type of question. You all know very well how to figure out the number of tiles. So what do we do to find the number of tiles required? We divide the whole area of the floor by the area of a tile, which is here we figured it out to be 625. So since both of them are in the same unit, which is centimeter squared and centimeter squared, you don't have to do anything, you just have to divide. Okay, so if you divide 175,000 by 625, it's going to be 280. So don't worry if you spend some time trying to solve this division. Yeah, so let's move on. So if a tile costs rupees 275, how much money is needed to buy the required tiles? So we need 280 tiles and the price of one tile is 275. So if you multiply both of them, you will get the total cost required. Total cost to buy tiles, rupees 275 times 280. So you can do the multiplication. 275 and 280. Yeah, so that's going to be rupees 77,000. Okay, so hope this is clear.